Now smile.
A doorbell.
All right.
Okay, do a funny one. Cool. Okay, now do you want like goofy faces?
Yeah, I'm down.
Okay, smiling?
Smiling first?
No.
Yeah.
You can't smile and be a Ninja Turtle.
Yeah, smile first, serious second.
That's super good. Okay, now you can do funny. Oh my golly.
Don't touch my neck, that feels weird.
Y'all are not doing it.
Yeah, I am. Don't touch me.
Epic, beautiful.
The moment I hopped that border, I knew it was the best decision of my life.
Oh my gosh. Do a funny one. What is this? Okay, beautiful. Oh. Oh! Liam, what watch were you just checking? Like, check this watch, there's nothing there.
Oh yeah, Davis. Oh yeah.
In my finger.
Okay, play at a time.
Are you videoing us?
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Cute. Super fun, super fun. They are actually basketball players. Oh, oh. Oh. Oh! It's screaming in my ear. Yeah! Oh my gosh. Oh, dude! Oh. She's going, she's rounding up. Oh my gosh. Oh!
Good job. Both teams.
Keegan's in fighting stance. He's ready to go. He is ready. He's locked in, bro. Oh no! Keegan, no! Okay. Oh! Oh! It's the line! Oh! That's Karsten! Let's get Stunken. Oh! 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 Ooh! Ooh! Really? Wow, they're really dancing. Oh! Kayla! Ollie just dodging. Oh! No! Oh! Oh! Ah! Oh! Oh! Charlie! No! Wow. Wow. Wow.
Rachel, you've been drafted.
Oh! Hey, she got a ball! Throw it! Yeah! She threw it! Oh, he's jumping. They're in fighting stance. They are ready for the fight of their lives. The lower they get means the more into it they are. Oh, that's cute. Oh, he's coming. Ah! Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh. David is watching. He's admiring. Oh, gosh. Okay, now I can film them. Oh! She's the best MVP on the team. She's literally the best one. Because she's like still in and like look at her hair. Adorable. Don't know what's happening over there, but you know what's happening. Woo! Woo!
with the late from round one.
Oh! Six. Oh! Yeah, Isaac! Oh! Oh! Woo! Oh!
We didn't meet the standard. To sum it up, CP, do your cartwheel. That's to sum up our win.
Wow. Oh, wow. He did too. That was so good. That was so good.